Hey there, it's Kathleen Jasper, and today I want to clear up a question I get all the time. What's the difference between direct and indirect instruction? It might seem like teaching is just teaching, but there's actually a huge distinction between these two methods. And if you're studying for a teacher certification exam, trust me, this is something you want to know. Let's start with direct instruction. This is where you are leading the lesson. Picture yourself at the front of the classroom, maybe using a slideshow, reading aloud, or writing on the board. This is the sage on the stage moment. You're walking your students through new material step by step, setting expectations, and making sure everyone is on the same page. It's especially useful at the beginning of a lesson, when you're introducing a new concept or explaining procedures. You're basically laying the foundation so students know what's coming. Now let's shift to indirect instruction. This one's more student led. Think small group discussions, partner activities, or students solving problems together. You're still involved, walking around, checking in, but the students are doing the heavy lifting. They're working through the material, figuring things out together, and practicing that critical thinking we love to see. It's all about empowering them to take ownership of their learning. The magic really happens when you blend the two. A typical class might start with a quick bell ringer, something short to get students engaged while you take attendance. Then you launch into 10 to 15 minutes of direct instruction. Go over objectives, do a quick think aloud, maybe read part of the chapter together. After that, release the students into indirect instruction. They might break into groups, work with a shoulder partner, or tackle a problem set. You circulate, support, and only step in when needed. And don't forget the wrap up. Come back together at the end and do a quick check in. Did we meet today's objectives? Maybe hand out exit slips, maybe assign homework, and just reflect on the learning. So, whether you're front and center or stepping back to let your students lead, the key is balance. Keep practicing, and before long, you'll be moving between direct and indirect instruction like a pro. Explore top tier resources to help you ace your exams and launch your dream teaching career at kathleenjasper.com. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube, where I'm always sharing proven strategies, the latest updates, and practical tips you can use right now. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy teaching.